Cruisaholics family, welcome back.
What's up, everybody? Welcome, y'all.
You know I had to get it in. Y'all know how I do. Today we have, yes, that's right. Today we have brought you into our home. And if you have never visited our channel before, please make sure that you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified when we upload any additional information about cruising and everything, because that is what our channel is about.
Anything that have to do with cruising, cruise news, whatever, y'all.
We're talking about it.
Exactly. We bring you cruise information, everything, y'all. Hit that like button. That really helps us out. Subscribe to our channel, just like my baby said.
Yeah, and make sure you share with your family and friends. Now, you're in our home, honey, because we're not getting the coronavirus. We're not doing that, honey. They can have that. When they get that corona together, we'll be back. I mean, we'll be taking our next cruise. It'll be a 2-week cruise in August. We've never done that before, so we'll be on the ship half a month, and I need them to get it clean.
They need to be done with all that.
Sanitize. Sanitize, honey. You're going green, sanitize. But right now, we're in the house, and we have brought you guys to our home, as we said.
All right. What we talking about today, babe?
But, babe, what we're going to be talking about today is our number one must-have when we are traveling on our cruises. Hell, when we're just doing anything.
Y'all, when we at home in our hometown, this is a must-have.
Yes.
I ain't lying now.
Let me show you this little thing here now. This right here, when I say a must-have, it's a must-have. We travel usually a minimum of about 4 hours to any cruise port that we go to. So with our son, you know, when they're under a certain age, they got to use the potty, they want to eat in the car, they got to do all kinds of things. You got to keep them entertained. And a lot of times when you're entertaining them, you're kind of having to do it as a family, which is nothing wrong with that. Yeah. We do have our time.
Yeah.
But sometimes, you know, the adults want to have their conversation, or you want to listen to your music, and you can't entertain the child for 4 hours or 5 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. Because our longest drive was 10 hours. So, sweetie, when I tell you we had to find something to keep that little, I'm from the country, that youngin', keep that youngin' occupied. Yes, ma'am. We had to do it. All right.
All right, y'all check it out. It's called a kids travel play tray, or your kids companion.
Yes, I think it's a good name. Kids companion. That's right, baby.
Kids companion.
Yeah. So, you know, it's a little something that, you know, they can carry it around. You know, we ain't got to carry their luggage no more. No, you want to stay busy, carry your own stuff. You know,
and it's light.
Very light. It's like the book bag. So we like it. So I'm going to open up just so you guys can see what's going on. This little thing, look there. It has pockets for, he got his books and stuff still in it from our last trip. Look, even when we go to the mall, it's with him. It's with him.
Mall, grocery store.
Amen.
We make sure we had this thing.
At the doctor's office, everywhere. I mean, they got to keep entertained because, you know, at these places, we be on our phone doing our thing. You know, they got to be entertained. So we got to give them something to entertain them. So, yes, it got the little pockets on it, you know. Like I said, he got his books in there. He got his little cards in there. You know, my baby loves his cards and stuff. And it has his little markers in there. This little thing, it opens up. I don't know if you can really see me. But it opens up. It has a little Velcro on it. And so I pull a little tab up and it sticks to the back. Has its little cord here.
Spin this thing around.
And it has this little platform for them to be able to eat their food on. No more food all behind their car seats, booster seats, all on the floor. Look.
Y'all, that alone right there, just being able to have him eat his food on here, and we can just kind of sweep it off and clean it off when he's through eating.
Yes.
As eating platform, y'all, it's been great.
And after he get finished eating, he get to read his little books, and he got his little look. It's a dry erase board. So I told you he got his little markers in here. I'm just gonna show you. Take one of these little markers out of here, and he can just draw on it. See? I don't know if you could see that with the little drawing. I don't know. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Let me see. I might have to bring it a little closer. It's a little dry erase board. And it erases. I don't know if you see that. But he does his drawing on there and he likes to play with his cars and Play-Doh and all that good stuff. But all the little pockets on there, he's able to put his little trinkets in there for him to play with. So not only is it a dry erase board, not only is it a platform for him to eat on, you know, it's a platform for him to do anything on. And then it came with this laptop, or should I say tablet holder. And what it does, it has Velcro right here too. Mm-hmm. And it just goes up against there and stands up like that. So he's able to play with his iPad. And it holds, I think, like a 10 inch. Let me see, mine fits in it. So mine is a 10 inch, 10 and a half inch, 11 inch.
And these days, these kids love their iPads and their tablets, and they're
right
constantly on it all day. So it gives them a platform to be able to hold their
My little Google
tablet.
trying to talk to you. We don't want to talk to you, Google. We don't want to talk to you. Let's see where my little side at. Might have it upside down. Oh, there it is.
There you go.
So, yeah, they play with the tablet. It's able to be able to touch screen. So, what I tell you, it's been a lifesaver for us. It's been a lifesaver for us. Oh, it flipped the camera around on us. We ain't trying to do that now. Trying to get y'all all in my business. Ain't none of y'all business. But I tell you what, he plays his games on there. It just, I don't even know what to say. We were so glad that we ran across it. And, you know, we saw different ones like this. So we kind of enhanced a little bit just for our purposes, because we wanted to be able to charge. Because I was giving him my iPad, I was giving him my cell phone. When his little iPad died, no. Because then Mama didn't have no juice when it came time for her to do whatever she needed to do. I said, no, this ain't going to work.
It seems like them kids, they want to use their iPad, their tablet, use up all the juice, and then they want to beg you for your stuff and use all yours. So
them days over.
We already on a long trip, you know? So, like my baby said, we enhanced it, and it's a USB cord.
Let me turn that around. There's a little space right here. This little black box we got put on there so that it can plug to the car. The USB to your car, or the cigarette lighter adapter allows you to plug it to the car, so it keeps the device charged.
So it gives your child where they can be able to charge their tablet or their iPad at their own fingertips versus the overstretched cords and everything, y'all. It's really done made it easy, so.
And honey, if they say, my thing getting ready to die, that's not a cue for you to get my cell phone. That's not a cue for you to get my iPad. Guess what?
Bam.
Got one of these from 5 and below. Yep, 5 and below. $5 make you holler, honey, boo boo. There it is. What I do? I plug that thing up here to this. Ding ding. They got juice again. You ain't getting my tablet or my cell phone no more.
Now that's you only need that if you're not in the car.
Yeah, if you're not in the car. So if I'm in the mall, you know, we can take a long time in the mall. But you still ain't getting my cell phone or my iPad while I'm shopping. My shopping trips can be rather long. But yeah, I got this little portable charger. It plugs right to it. And that little, their cord plugs to the USB tray, plugs to their device, and they up and running again. Honey, when I say I don't hear nothing, I don't hear a peep. You can hear a pin drop.
Y'all, it's been wonderful, y'all. Baby, let's show them, I guess, how we connected to the car seat.
Oh, yeah. Stay tuned. We're getting ready to show you how we set it up on the car seat or on the booster seat. But we'll show you the car seat now. Well, welcome back. Welcome back. We are here to show you how to set it up on the car seat. So like I said, I'm going to take it loose on this side so that you'll be able to see. The child's in the seat. Make sure that you strap your child into your car seat. Safety first, okay? Exactly. They'll probably be going crazy and I want my tray, I want my tray, I want my tablet. Strap them in first, okay? Strap them in first. And then you'll place this right across their lap. See how it sits conveniently there? And this right here, I've adjusted this for the purpose of this video. My baby a little bit small, okay? Don't you laugh at my baby. Okay, so then you take it around the seat. All right. Maybe you want to connect that for me.
I will do. Bam.
And it just snaps. All right? And that's how it sits on the seat. Your child's in here sitting on their lap. If they're eating, this right here, like I said, it comes straight off. Comes off. There you go.
If you need to adjust it or anything, y'all, you can adjust it on the sides.
Yeah, the straps are adjustable, like my husband said. There's a little notch there, and there's a notch over here, so you can unbuckle it from either side. He buckled it up over there, and I'll just show you that it comes off on this side, too.
Yeah.
So it comes loose, and it buckles on either side. So it doesn't matter if you're putting them in on the right side of the car or the left side of the car. It buckles up either way.
Yeah.
Grocery store, strap them in. All right.
Now see, our son, he's gotten a little bit bigger now, so now he's in a booster seat.
Yeah.
So what you would do is do the same thing, but you would strap it around him. Out the car seat, you just strap it around them. So if they're using it on the inside of the house, you just strap it around their body and clip it.
Yeah.
So
they're using it, baby. Did you say inside the house?
Yeah.
We ain't strapping it to him inside the house, are we?
He uses this inside the house also.
Well, I be gone all the time.
Yeah, it's mainly used, in the car, but he uses it. No, did I say inside the house?
He did say inside the house. I say, well, where the hell they going?
No, I'm saying like when he uses it like sitting in his room.
Oh yeah, he does. He uses it strapped to when he's sitting at his little table. My baby likes to watch TV and play his iPad all at the same time. So he'd be sitting on his chair with his tray.
So that's
and
when
TV
he's not
be
like using
blasting.
like a desk or whatever.
Yeah, so he's using it as a desk. So, hey, it can be used as a desk. When they're doing their homework, when you're picking them up from school, put it on there. They can do homework or doodle or whatever they need to do while you're on your way home. I mean, it's so many different things that you can do, and they enjoy it. We use it when we have our grands. We got 6 grands. Don't ask, honey.
Yo, 6.
You know how it is, honey. That's what it is.
6 grandbabies.
6 grandbabies. And we took a couple of them down to the beach with us, and we put them in our expedition. On the 3rd row, they was bam, bam, bam. And we didn't hear a peep until somebody had to use the restroom.
was gonna go crazy, but thankful. You know, it gave them something to do. Everybody had their own little spot. You know, somebody can be watching a movie or whatever and building their Legos on top of the platform, or the other person can be drawing.
Because you know, everybody has their own thing they like to do. Everybody don't do the same thing. Even though we might tell them, y'all do this and do that. But all the kids have their own little personality. So we want to make sure that we give them that avenue to have their own personal space to do the things that they like to do. Especially if we're riding on a long trip. Because that can be a little bit tiresome for children. So we got to make sure that we give them that space to be able to do what they want to do. And that's pretty much it for our number one must-have when you're traveling or just doing everyday things with children. We're going to show you how to fold it up conveniently, to put it away. Of course, when you're out and about, you take that loose now. And this kind of just rolls up, you know, just roll it around like you would do your cell phone cord. Unzip the pocket and just stick it down in the pocket. And zip the pocket up. What you want to say, man?
No, just to make it clear, like I said, this is just something that the battery pack that you would need if the iPad goes dead and you're outside the car.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's gonna charge it when you're inside the car, just by the car. You're just gonna plug it into your car. You don't need that.
So we'll take this also, put it down in there for safekeeping. And we're going to go ahead and take this loose. All right. You'll detach the side pieces. Take your iPad tablet holder, stick it back in there. You can do this all while sitting on your lap. Fold it down. Okay. Fold it up like this. And voila. Back to original state. You strap this, take the strap, buckle it back to the piece that you would buckle it to when you were having them in the car seat. And when they get out of the car, you give it to them, and they put it on their shoulder, and they just walk it out, walk it out, walk it out, walk it out. That's what they do. I said, hell no, I ain't carrying this stuff no more. I like this, honey. I like this. And it's so easy. And it has this little zipper back here. Our son likes to draw. So it has a little zipper. And he opens this up and he got all the papers and stuff where he's drawing stuff and he sticks it down in there. So, honey, I like this little thing. But, like I said, that is the kit and caboodle of our number one must-have when you're traveling with children.
Exactly.
You want to get a little bit more information? It'll be in the description below.
All right, y'all. Thank you for coming to our home, y'all.
Yeah. Why don't you visit us again another time? But we might be on the ship when they get that corona together.
Please get it together. Please.
They got to get that together. But again, until you guys see us again, we hope to see you on the high seas or on the Lido deck. Freedom Cruisaholic, and we are out of here. And we love you guys.
Have a good one, y'all.